Mr. Gloves, where are you? Here I am, I will protect you. Mr. Broom, where are you? Here I am, I will sweep it clean. How are you? I hope you're okay. It's your teacher Anauncieta. Welcome to Easy Elimu Learning Simplified. Wow, we talked about our home. Who can remind us what is a home? Someone remind me what is a home? Teacher, you said a home is a place we live. Nice. And we talked about why do we live in a home? Why don't we go and live in the forest, on the road? Why? Teacher, we said a home, yes, Janet, protect us from bad weather. Nice. Oscar, bad people. Good. And Johnny, bad. We have said bad people, bad weather, and bad animals. Nice. And we said for us to maintain the body hygiene, we should also live in a very clean environment. And we said, what are some of the ways we maintain the home environment? We keep the home environment clean. And we said 1, Janet, by wiping. 2, Oscar, by sweeping. 3, mopping. 4, collecting litter. And you can even dispose it off nicely. Now, we talked about for me to mop this house, for me to wash, for me to sweep, for me to scrub this utensil, I need something. And those are what we call the materials we use for cleaning our home. The materials we will use to clean this home. And we now saw the different materials that we will use to clean the home. Now we want to draw the materials we will use for cleaning this home. Do you have your colors ready? Yay! I want to see the best artist. Now let's draw the materials that we will use to clean these utensils. The home environment, not utensils only, but of course the home environment. Some of the materials, and of course when you've finished drawing, you put color, and now you must give a name to that material that you have drawn. And which one is my first material used for cleaning our home environment? It is, how do we call it? Broom. Nice. Then we have said we need something like this. I don't know what is this, but you can tell from it what it is. You can tell from it what it is. Some people call it wipe. Another one, they call it tablecloth, or it can be a clean piece of cloth. Then we are saying for us to do the cleaning of mopping the house, and especially when it is dusty, I need something. I need something. Who can tell me what is this thing that I need that must have water in it? And it's the one that I'll put a mop for me to be able to clean the house nicely. What is that? I need a bucket. I need a bucket, a mopping bucket, of course with water. Then I have collected my dry leaves outside the compound there. I need to put it on the either wheelbarrow so that I can go and burn it, or I can go and dispose it off, dispose that nicely. I will need a cleaning equipment called the rake. Want to see? Teacher, you know how to draw. Thank you. Then I have swept the house nicely. I have swept the house nicely. And now I need a place where I will put the dirt that came from the house. I will need the place to put the dirt that came from the house. How do we call that place? That place is called the dust bin. The dust bin. This is the place where I will put the rubbish that I collected from the house that I swept. Now, I am sweeping the compound. I am sweeping the compound, and I need to collect this rubbish. But I cannot use my hands. What can I use? What can I use? I can use the things called the gloves. I can use things called the gloves. Gloves. These ones are protective gears that will protect my hands from sharp objects and even very poisonous insects that are in the dirt. Then we are saying, I have now swept the house. I have now swept the house, and I need to put my rubbish together and now put it on the dustbin. What am I going to use? I am going to use an equipment called the dust pan. Seen this before? Nice. Then we are talking about, I have my bucket of water, yes, but now I can either use an old piece of cloth or I use something like this that looks like human hair, nicely like this, very bushy. How do we call this? We call this a mop. A mop. And what is the work of a mop? A mop is used to clean and be very specific to mop the house. So these are just part of the material, some of them, but you can see there are many. We have not even finished all of them. When you start naming the cleaning materials, we can spend here the whole day. We have the vim, the jig, the harpic. We have those ones for in the kitchen. We have the scoring pads. We have the rack. All those the materials used for cleaning the home. But I've just chosen the main one that we need, and especially when you're cleaning the home compound, like outside, inside the house, these are basically what we need. Any question? I now continue drawing. Continue drawing the equipments. Then during your own free time, you will fill in the missing letters nicely. And of course, remember to color. I want to see beautiful colorings. I want to see them very smart. Any question? Any problem? Thank you very much, and I hope I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.